This video is a summary about our next projects from December 2024 until May 2025. From the 1st of December, Nubes begins publishing also books, historical novels, poetry, theater texts, essays. These are our first two releases. Agave is the screenplay written in Latin by Stefano Vittori, and it had been staged in Vilnius with Marina Garanin, Andrea Lesiani, and Francesco Vacca. It will be published with English or Italian parallel text, and it is an intense and intriguing retelling of the myth of the Bacchantes. In the next month, we will also publish the comic book adaptation with the art of Francesco Giuseppone, yet author of the cover of the screenplay. His art will emphasize the visionary impact of the tragedy. L'Ombra Perfetta is an historical novel about Calpurnia, the wife of Caesar, that warned him before the Ides of March. The novel, written by Sonia Morganti, tells also a lot about the cultural environment of a dramatic age as the 1st century before Christ, a time all blood and poetry, cover by Gabriele Paganini. The book is Italian only, but at the end of January a Kickstarter will begin for the comic book adaptation of it, named Fortuna Caesaris, with the art of Ilaria Matta. The graphic novel will be in Italian, Latin and English, and starts from the novel, then becomes slightly different. It is about what we strongly want and firmly believe, and all we have to endure to realize it, in an unexpected way. And also about a fact. For each war, for each political fight, there is another one, silent, fought by the ones who stay. Caesar told us his war. We will tell you the other. Latin translation by Marina Garanin. During 2025 spring, we will also publish Non auro sed ferro, a graphic novel about Furius Camillus in Italian, English and Latin, with the art of Silvio Costa. Camillus is a fascinating character of the old Roman Republic that deserves to be told more times. He represented Rome how it should have been, and in the graphic novel we tried also to put the mythological and secondary characters in the right place and light of the story and of the history. The Latin version will be made by Rossano Fragale, the Origines Pictae team, together again. In May, it will be the turn of The Land of Carthago, a space opera that moves the Punic War in the space in a sort of parallel and future timeline, keeping it extremely coherent with the real history. The novel is written by Tommaso Cavallaro. It will have cover and illustration by Davide Pierotti. If you like these projects, please follow and share. Valete!